presented by Miss Leia Kim. To hand the bouquet and the cash is Mr. Ramonet Herman.
Sinabi ba yung bag ko? Walang bigat na ako. Sarado yun.
You are Christopher Stewart, Martin Lacambini 2016.
Galing. Bebe namin yan!
Next award is
Pwede kumain.
Festival Costume.
Grabe yung mga paparazzi.
Alright.
Maraming paparazzi.
Okay na yan, oh.
Okay na yan.
Miss Festival Costume. They love very creative mga Pilipino na nagpapakla sila. Wala akong masabi. Who among the candidates best carry the attire representing an eventful Philippine festival? Who's your guest?
Hirap ang bigat.
This year's Miss Festival Costume.
Six!